Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to a theater to see Sweeney Todd, and I actually wanted to do a glam night smoky eye makeup look, and I love the KKW products, and I purchased these products a while back and I haven't really tried the smoky look, but this is the KKW. This is the Glam Bible, the Smokey Volume 1. So I am going to be using products from the Smokey Volume 1. I've got some Kylie Jenner products, and this is the look that I created with the KKW makeup line. So if you guys want to know how I did this, please keep on watching. Alright everyone, so I just primed my face and we are going to start with our eyes. We're going to start with the eyeshadow, and I'm using the KKW. This is the Smokey Volume 1 set. Here I'm mixing Risque and Fatale. These are the two eyeshadows in the KKW eyeshadow palette, Smokey Volume. And we're going to just blend these two with my Morphe eyeshadow brush. Now I'm taking the color, this is called Dark, in the eyeshadow palette, and we're going to put this all over our eyes. And I'm using a different brush here, so I can just put a little bit more on, and I'm keeping it close to my eyelashes and actually smoothing it out on the outer edges. Now we're going back to the Morphe brush and we're just blending everything out. So I didn't want to have like big crease marks because of this dark color. So again, we're just blending everything out. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the color Morphing eyeshadow pencil in Black Diamonds. Now what I really like about this eyeshadow pencil is that it smudges very, very nice. I'm keeping it close to the lash line because, you know, it's like a black eyeliner, but it also, I'm not sure if you could see, but it has these little beautiful diamonds embedded into it, and it stays that way. Like, it doesn't smudge if you keep rubbing your finger, like the diamonds won't go anywhere. Very, very pretty. We're gonna mix this with the KKW eyeliner as well. Now we're gonna go in with Antique. Again, this is from the KKW eyeshadow palette, the Smokey Volume 1. And we're going to put this color on the outer edges just to like make it more dramatic. Not too much, because I'm not going for like a very, very full smoky eye look today, but just subtle. Now we're going to go in with Femme. This is like a darkish gold eyeshadow in this palette, and we're going to just put this on our finger and we're going to put it right in the center of our eyelids just to make that stand out. It's a beautiful metallic color. Now I'm going to be putting on the KKW, this is the Beauty Eyeliner Pencil. This is in Black 1, and I have to say this is actually one of my favorite products from the KKW line. This eyeliner goes on so nice and smooth. It's very, very, very creamy. You can blend it. It's a very, very nice formula. So I'm keeping it by my lash line, and again I'm going to just smudge it a little, and this is going over that Black Diamond eyeliner pencil. Now I'm going in with Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. This color is in Alexandria 650. This is actually, again, this is a full coverage foundation, and I am loving it. You have to make sure that you get the right color. It took a while for me to make sure that I got the right color for my face, but guys, if you want a full review on this, please let me know. I am loving this foundation. I wore this for 24 hours one time, and it didn't even feel like I had foundation on my face. So please let me know if you want a review on this, a full review. A little goes such a long way with foundation for this. I think I put too much on my hand and I have some left over. Now I'm taking my Maybelline concealer and the KKW. This is the Conceal in number 3. I'm going to be using my Maybelline concealer as my base concealer, and my KKW concealer, that's going to be to brighten underneath my eyes. Again, with you don't need a lot of these concealers. A little goes a long way, and the KKW concealer really does brighten, so don't put on a lot. Now we're going to go in with the Brighten powder. This is number 1. And again, I think if you get the set for the concealers, it comes with the baked powder, this Brighten powder, along with the concealer. This is really, really nice. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury contouring brush, and I'm just putting this underneath my eyes. This is after I put the concealer on, and then we're gonna bake. So this is how I found what works for me. Okay, so now this is the KKW. This is the #1 bake powder. This again is one of my favorite products as well. Sometimes you can go a little heavy-handed, you can go light-handed, but this really does make underneath the eyes brighten, and it's such a great baking powder for your face. Now we're going to go in with the Kylie Jenner. This is the pressed bronzing powder in Toasty. Now, if you guys have watched several of my videos, I usually use this Kylie Toasty bronzer. I really love the way how the color looks. It makes it look so sun-kissed, like you literally have that nice glowing tan. Okay, so I just finished filling in my eyebrows off camera. Now we're going to go in with the KKW. This is the black mascara. And again, guys, I love this wand. I also found that I use this mascara particularly for the lower eyelashes as well, the lower lashes, because a lot of the makeup brushes, they don't catch a lot of the product on the lower eyelashes. So I found that this brush works really wonders for your lower lashes. Now I'm taking that Charlotte Tilbury contour brush, and I'm just going to make a little contour on my nose, and this is with the Kylie Jenner. This is the bronzing powder that I used on my face. Now we're going to go back with the colors Antique and Exotic, and we're going to start working on our lower lash line. back in with that eyeshadow color Risque, and we're going to just blend this out because I just feel like this is such a great blending color when you mix it in with the dark colors. Again, it really makes your eye color stand out. And here I am going back in with the Black Diamonds Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner. Now we're going in with the KKW eyeliner. We're going to put this in our waterline. Now we're going to just put on a little bit of blush, and this is my favorite blush. This is the Lorac in the color Chrome. Again, this blush is very beautiful. A little goes a long way. Then we're going to go in with the Glitz and Glam. This is the highlighter that was in the Smokey Volume Set. It doesn't give a huge glow on your face. It's very workable, very blendable, so again, you could put on as little as you want, as much as you want, and it just blends very, very well for a subtle look. Now we're going to go in with the classic Icon liner, lip liner. Again, this is a very blendable, creamy lip liner. And I actually just don't lip line my lips. I kind of fill them all in because when you're out for a night and, you know, there's a lot going on, I find sometimes that the lipstick wears off, but your lip liner always stays. Now I'm going to be taking the KKW Classic Icon 2 lipstick, and I'm just putting this all over my lips. If you notice, both the lip liner and the lipstick, they look so beautiful together. And then we're going to finish it off with the High Gloss KKW, and this is in the color Lust. And here we have it. This is a subtle smoky eye look. I didn't want to go too heavy, but I love the blending of the colors, and everything just looks so beautiful with this KKW line mixed with the Kylie Jenner bronzer. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that notification, do the like, and please subscribe to my channel and you'll be able to see more videos. I don't know what's in tune next, but again, click that like, subscribe, and continue watching my videos and you will soon see. Alright guys, I will be making another video soon, very, very, very soon. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful evening, and summer is almost over, but you know what? We have fall coming up. Alright guys, bye-bye. Mwah.